Hi, I'm Kay Martin. I am the Community Liaison with the Washington Township Police Department, and I am sitting here with Chief Keller of the Washington Township Police Department. And we're going to just briefly talk about the Community Liaison Program and law enforcement's impression of that. So I guess the first question I want to ask you is, when you were approached about this, what was your opinion in reference to this?
My initial opinion was that this was something that somebody else had thought of that was a program or a project, but it was just one more thing for us to do, that it was somebody else's idea, and I was concerned about that.
And what were your concerns?
Well, that it was going to take more of our time, more of our effort, take away from the other things that we might be doing, and that I questioned how much value it would have.
So now we are 11 months into it. Has your opinion changed?
Drastically.
And can you tell me a little bit about that?
Well, I know that one of the initial ideas of the program was to try to get these people some other resources, some other help, and to minimize the amount of calls that were coming into the police department from these people. You know, they were repetitive callers, if you will. I'm not sure that I've seen that. I think we have a couple that are just continue to call all the time. But I think that in the past, the mechanism that we used was that we gave people the referrals. We said, here's the number you need to call, here's the people you need to call. But again, I think that almost everybody in law enforcement knows that that's not what's going to happen. Those people aren't going to make those calls, that's not what's happening. But when you came in and started working with our agency, we were able to give you the name of the person, their address, their telephone number, and you're pretty tenacious in terms of going out there and getting a hold of these people and pointing them in the right direction. And we've seen a lot of success stories from that.
Okay. So we are almost 11 months in. As you mentioned, we have seen some success. Going forward, is there anything that this program can do better? Is there anything that you'd like to see us change?
I really can't think of anything. I mean, I know that there's been some great communication between our agency and you, and that we've been able to get a lot of people pointed in the right direction and getting them the help that they need that they really weren't getting before, with us just making nothing more than referrals.
So why do you think this works?
I think it's the quality of the person that you have in the job itself. I think that the fact that you're going out there and making the contact and presenting yourself to these people, and you know, they're not in a uniform like we are, and these people are much more willing, I think, to talk to you now that you've made the effort to go out there and talk to them.
Have you had any response or concerns, suggestions from your officers in reference to the program?
No, they have your business cards and they're handing them out to people left and right.
Indeed. So is there anything else that you would like to share, any stories, anything that you think that our audience would benefit from knowing in reference to this program?
No, I think it's been wide ranging. I think some of the people that you've been helping are people that have multiple issues, mental health issues,
absolutely.
Drug and alcohol issues, just taking care of themselves issues. I think we've got a lady who we've made arrangements to have firewood delivered to her home so that she could go ahead and keep warm during the winter. So I mean, it's a wide expanse of problems that you're dealing with in the community, and it's not a particular issue.
Thank you. Missing anything, Corey?